In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok cannot send message due to privacy settings. So this is a problem, and if you can change your privacy setting, that's fault for TikTok. You need to contact their support. But if you can't message someone, that's due to their privacy setting, and here you can't do anything. But what you want to do is go here, type in TikTok support, share your feedback, then enter email, username, topic, how we can help, and basically here explain your problem. And that's it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Say something like, this video helped me. I would appreciate it a lot. See you in the next one.